8012 Rochelle. The seller is home and the dogs are also home, so I'm not going to do a lot of talking once I'm inside, but I did check the shower valve and it is easy to turn on and off, and it's not loose from the wall. Window number 2 stays in the upright position when I open it, and window number 1 is fitting well in the pocket. Those are all notes from the repair request. Sorry. Is it okay if I go outside? Okay, thank you. Thank you so much. Okay. Oh, sorry. Okay. This all looks the same. Also, everything that I saw inside looks the same, too. Puppy. This room looks the same. Okay. Okay, so this is window number 2. This is the window that needs to stay in the upright position. So here you go. I'll just leave that there while I go ahead and show you the other things. So this is the bathroom, the master bath, that they're supposed to loosen this. I would consider that not the biggest issue in the world. It's easy to turn on and off. As you can see, it's not loose from the wall or anything, so that seems to be fine. And this is window number 1 that was not fitting squarely into the pocket. Looks square to me. Okay. Now we'll head back to number 2. As you can see, it's still in the upright position. I'm going to set the camera down while I close it. And that's that.